Hello guys, welcome to the 13th day of our coding challenge series, and today we are solving a number of good pairs problem. So we are given an integer array nums and we need to return the number of good pairs. So I comma j is called good if nums at position I is equals to nums at position j and I should be lesser than j. So you see that this one is equals to this one, so this is a pair. Similarly, this one and this one at position 4 will also be a pair. So 0 comma 3 and 0 comma 4 are pairs. Similarly, 3 comma 4 is also an pair, which is this one, and 2 comma 5 is also a pair, which is this, and the 3 at the end of the array. Okay, so now let's solve the problem. Okay, so first of all we can initialize a counter such as integer count equals to 0 and then write a for loop for int I equals to and I lesser than nums dot length, and then create another for loop since the condition was also that I is lesser than j, so we can keep it as j, but it would start from the next position, which is I plus 1. J is also lesser than nums dot length and j plus plus, and then we will check, because in this thing I would always be lesser than j since we start with the position I plus 1. So let's see, and we will write nums at position I is equals to nums at position j, and then if so we will just increment the counter and then just simply return the counter, and let's see if it works. Okay, so it works. Now let's submit the solution. Okay, so we got a runtime of 1 milliseconds. Perfect. I hope you understood the solution, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comment section, and see you in the next video.